this coming elections, I'll vote for Miriam Santiago. Because para sa akin, si Miriam lang yung legitimately na qualified in a sense na she knows what to do and she has enough track record para panindigan yung lahat ng sinasabi niya, unlike other candidates na puro daldal lang.
I voted for Duterte kasi I think he can handle the problems here in the Philippines.
I will vote for Grace Poe kasi out of the candidates, sa kanya ako may pinaka-trust. I think she has the purest intentions of making the country better.
Marami kasing disciplinary problems sa mga Filipinos, alam nating lahat yan. As in, makikita mo pa lang sa labas ng, kunyari, sa Espanya, hindi na sumusunod sa mga rules, tumatawid kung saan-saan, nagtatapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Pero I see Duterte as a strong leader.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Espino, and I'm voting for Miriam Defensor Santiago. The reason for this is I think she was robbed of her spot before na pagiging president, and this is her time now. And the only reason why people don't want to vote for her is because nagkakasakit siya. And I think na yung reason na yun, na pag kinumpare mo sa ibang presidential candidates, mababaw. So,
Cayetano naman kasi I think among the vice presidentiables, he's the most legitimate naman for the position. Kasi si Cayetano, parang he can handle enough na problems din.
Currently, undecided pa ako both kung sinong boboto for president and vice president. Ayun, kasi feeling ko medyo biased yung ibang articles tsaka yung media.
Kasi matalino siya. Kasi matalino talaga siya. Alam ko lang, yung stand niya rin, sobrang ganda sa akin. But nakita ko yung yung puso kay Lenny Robredo. Kasi halatang gusto niya makatulong sa kapwa and down to earth siya. Kasi lang humble niyang tao.
For vice president naman, binoto ko si Cayetano. Because I saw one of his interviews. I think it's with Karen Davila ata. And he answered very smart. Intelligent yung mga sagot niya. I think he went on the research and stuff. Studied very well. Tsaka partner sila ni Duterte. For me, you can't vote a president and the vice president in different parties. Kasi kung binote mo yung magkaibang parties, baka magbangayan pa sila sa work.
I think I would go with Lenny Robredo because she seems like the person na willing akong i-trust yung future ko with, and I think she's competent enough. Kahit nagaling siya sa maliit na governing body, I think she could handle it well pagdating sa national level.
I think kailangan na natin ng mas matigas na president na mag-handle, hindi yung kung sino lang yung parang i-favor yung kahit sino, tsaka yung may kinikilingan lagi. Hindi mo naman kailangan matakot kasi kung alam mo namang wala kang gagawin na masama, and kung hindi ka naman criminal-minded, bakit mo kailangan matakot?